Hi everybody, here is your making words lesson for today. You will need paper or sticky notes. I'm using sticky notes because I had some in the kitchen and they're colorful and cute and I like them. But you can just use paper and you can cut out squares with scissors or you can just tear them, and you'll need a pencil or a marker to write the letters on your pages. So today the letters you'll need to make are E, O, U, C, M, P, R, T. So I'm just going to give each of my sticky notes now those letters. And if you can't remember this activity, there's a mystery word at the end that uses all of these letters. So while we're building and making words, you can be thinking about what word you think the mystery word is, because I'm not going to reveal it on this video. You have to submit it as a comment or a picture or something if you think you guessed it. Okay, so we're going to start with making the two-letter word or. So I'll give you a few seconds to do that with your papers, and you can pause the video at any time if you have to run and go get your materials. So the two-letter word or. Now I like to have my letters just kind of laid out at the bottom so that I can quickly grab them and rearrange them. So here we go. Or, O, R. That's your first word. Now change a letter, make a two-letter word, to. There you go. That's how you spell to. You make the three-letter word toe. I stubbed my toe. I'll give you a hint. Keep those first two letters there and just add one more vowel. It's silent. There you go. Three-letter word, toe. Spell top. What can you do to change this word from toe to top? Think about that sound you hear at the end of the word. That's right. You need a P. Top. If you know how to spell top, can you make the word mop? What do you need to do to change this word into a new one? We need at the beginning an M. Mop. This is the name of a term that we've used in science, or a three-letter word. Can you spell or? Or. So I know it's spelt like the first word, or, but I have a vowel at the end that is silent. It's not ori. We say or. There's your spelling for the three-letter word, or. Add one letter to make the word more. More. What sound do you hear at the beginning? That's right, an M. Spelt the same, we just add the consonant, more. Rhyming word, if you know how to spell more, can you spell tore? So because they rhyme, they have the same spelling pattern at the end. So we're going to change that. Put a T at the front. Tore. And if you can spell more and tore, can you spell core? I threw away the core of the apple. Core. So we're going to replace that T with a C. Core. I'm writing the words on the side because if I'm moving too fast for you, I don't want it to be a 20-minute video. But if I'm moving too fast, all the words are here, so you can check your spelling. Make sure you're spelling them correctly before you move on to the next one, because your brain needs to see it spelt right so that it learns it right the first time. After you spell core, change one letter to make the word come. Will you come over to my house? No, not right now. There's physical distancing going on with COVID, but maybe later, maybe in the summer. Come. Think about the letter you hear in the middle. And this is a silent E. I don't say cummy. I just say come. C-O-M-E. Come. Okay, well, if you can spell come, add one letter to make the word comet, the two-syllable word comet. And everything's the same except for we're going to add a T at the end. Comet. Now this one's a little bit tricky. Spell the 5-letter word court. For example, I had to go to court to pay my speeding lesson. I didn't really, that's just an example. Or speeding ticket. Or court, we played on the basketball court. So I'll give you a hint. The word our is spelt in the middle, like this is our house, but we don't say cowart. We say court. So we spell that word k is at the front, still at the end, so keep those there. We need to add the U, court, and the R. How many of you got that one right? C-O-U-R-T, court. And this next one is a pretty big hint for what the mystery word is, but I'm going to let you have it. It is our first Making Words lesson, so I should be nice, right? Spell the 7-letter word compute. For example, I needed the calculator to compute my answer. Compute. Pute. Oot. Compute. How did you spell it? Did you spell it this way? Because if you did, you're right. Compute. Okay, that's it for the Making Words lesson today. So see if you can come up with the mystery word. The mystery word uses all of the letters. And if you find out what it is, please send me a comment below on Fresh Grades so that I can see you did it. And if you're looking for more extensions to do with this example, I want you to transfer some of that knowledge that we did with words today to spell new words like hop, hopping, stop, stopping, bore, which rhymes with core, tor, more. You spelt all those words. Bore, boring, store, storing. So there's always challenges you can do if you have some more time and you want to be doing some more making words. All right, that's it for now.